Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your ASUS AiMesh configuration using Routers Tools easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure that your ASUS routers are powered on and connected to your network. Open your preferred web browser on a device connected to the AiMesh network. In the address bar, type the default IP address for your router, which is usually 192.168.1.1, and press enter. You will be prompted to log in to your router's web interface. Enter your username and password. If you haven't changed these, the default username is often admin and the default password is also admin. Once logged in, locate the Administration tab in the main menu. Click on the Administration tab to reveal more options. Now, look for the Backup Settings section. You will see a button labeled Save or Download. Click on that button to download the configuration file to your device. Make sure to note the location on your device where the file is saved. This file contains all your current AiMesh configuration settings. If you need to restore your settings in the future, navigate back to the same Backup Settings section. Look for the Upload or Restore button. Click on that button to upload the saved configuration file. Select the file you previously downloaded and click Open. Confirm the restoration of the settings when prompted by the interface. Your ASUS AiMesh configuration will be restored to the saved state. Finally, ensure all devices connected to your AiMesh network are functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.